Hello my dear friends, today we will talk about rulers in Photoshop. It's a detailed video for all the Photoshop users from beginners to advanced. Here in this video we will talk about rulers in steps so that you can get the answer of all the questions regarding rulers. So without wasting any time, we start with the new Photoshop document of any desired size. You can see the new document size and other details here in the new document dialog box. It's important to mention that I am using artboard to demonstrate rulers. We can work without artboard also. The reason I am using artboard is that it allows me to create multiple design layouts within one document, and we can select the artboard also. A common question about ruler is, what is the use of rulers in Photoshop? Very simple, just like that common ruler device we use in geometry or technical drawing as well as engineering or construction industries to measure distances or draw straight lines. Rulers in Photoshop help you position images or elements precisely. When visible, rulers appear along the top and left side of the active window. Markers in the ruler display the pointer's position when you move it. Okay, now many users will ask, what if the ruler is not visible in the Photoshop's active window? That is, how to show or hide the rulers in Photoshop. Actually, it's quite easy. To show or hide rulers in Photoshop, click on View menu and then select Rulers, or simply press Command+R on Mac and Control+R on Windows. A ruler will appear along the top and along the left hand side of the interface. To turn the rulers off again, just hit the same keyboard shortcut. Another common question is how to change the unit of measurement. Again, my answer is it's quite easy. I am explaining 3 different ways to change the unit of measurement. If you want to change the unit of measurement of ruler, right click on Windows or control click on Mac on either the horizontal or vertical ruler. A pop-up menu will appear and you can choose the desired units. Alternatively, double-click any of the ruler. This will show Preferences dialog box with the units and rulers settings. To get the same Preferences dialog box, simply on Windows choose Edit, then Preferences, then Units and Rulers. If you on Mac, then choose Photoshop, then Preferences, then Units and Rulers. Changing the units on the info panel automatically changes the units on the rulers. If the info panel is not visible, then simply go to the Windows menu and then select Info option. This will make the info panel visible. Click on the info panel menu and select Panel Options. In the info panel options dialog box, change the ruler units under the mouse coordinate section will change the unit of measurement of the ruler. Now, a few things for intermediate and advanced users, and that is why and how to change the ruler's zero origin. Changing the ruler origin, that is the 00 mark on the top and left rulers, lets you measure from a specific point on the image. Sometimes when we create or deal with symmetrical designs or images, then for ease we change the origin of the ruler. To do this, simply position the pointer over the intersection of the rulers in the upper left corner of the window and drag diagonally down onto the image. A set of crosshairs appear marking the new origin on the rulers. Remember, you can hold down Shift key as you drag to make the ruler origin snap to the ruler ticks. To reset a ruler's origin to its default value, double-click the upper left corner of the ruler. Remember, the ruler's origin also determines the grid's point of origin. To understand this, go to View menu and then click Show option and select Grid. This will create a grid on the canvas. You may notice that the center of this grid is not the center of the canvas, but if we first set the ruler's origin to the center of the canvas and then we select Grid option, what we see is different from the previous grid. Actually, the grid is same, but the center is different. If we compare the two different cases, we find that the ruler's origin also determines the grid's point of origin. I hope I tried to answer all the possible questions regarding rulers, but if any question or query is still left, then please let me know in the comment. I will surely answer those questions. Thanks for watching, and please let me know about any other interesting topic related to graphic design that you want to be explained by me. Okay, then see you in the next video.